You wanna know how I skyrocketed my personal brand from 5,000 followers to over 130,000 on Instagram and 100,000 on TikTok, all within about 10 months? Of course you do, that's why you're here. I'll tell you the truth, it didn't happen from posting more. It happened when I fixed my workflow. I started showing up consistently with content that looked and sounded pro, and I didn't have to work harder for it. I don't know if you're like me, but I come from a filmmaking background, and that means I care about all the details of my content, just like I would a short film or a documentary that I produce. But the problem with that is you can only be so consistent with your content if you're in the weeds every single day trying to make it perfect from the ground up. My first several posts were just that, and it was absolutely impossible to keep up with. I would spend hours crafting a script, writing it, shooting it, and cutting it to make it pop as much as possible. And ultimately, I was bending myself over backwards to try and do something that was completely unrealistic and not sustainable whatsoever. Enter the DaVinci Template V2. With this template, I've produced reels that hit 1 million views, helped me go totally viral, and brought in tens of thousands of new followers. Like this one alone brought in 10,000 new followers. That's crazy. But more importantly, it gave me a repeatable system that made content creation actually doable. Before this template, editing for me sort of felt like a black hole that I would sink deeper and deeper into. And then I'd get so fed up with the process that I would just throw it all away and be like, it's not good enough, I'm not gonna post it. I kid you not, I'd spend hours building timelines, tweaking the captions, adjusting the audio, and the final product just always felt inconsistent. And that's a real problem if you're trying to create a personal brand that stands out. And my content looked great, don't get me wrong. It should for the amount of time and hours and energy I was pouring into every reel. But it just didn't feel branded yet. It wasn't moving the needle. This template totally changed the ballgame. Now I just drop in the footage, timelines are ready, effects are already dialed in, and my captions look exactly the way I want them. And my workflow from the ground up is 5x or 10x faster than it was before. That means more time for shooting, more time for engagement, and more time for actually growing my brand. And I'm not the only one. Hundreds of creators are using this template right now to make their editing faster, their content sharper, and their personal brands more recognizable. If you're serious about content or building a personal brand, I know you are because that's why you're here, and you're trying to stand out in a sea of total sameness, this template will give you the tools, the structure, and the confidence to finally show up consistently and at a totally higher level. Just click below to get access. You're gonna edit better, you're gonna post faster, and you're gonna start building a personal brand that actually stands out. I hope it helps.